Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part 2 of my college move-in vlog. This video was so long that I had to break it up into 2 parts. So if you guys want to check out part 1, I will have that linked down below at the end of this video. You can see me first moving into my apartment. This one's just me decorating and all of that stuff. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all the good stuff. But yeah, let's get into the video.
Take me to places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man. And bus stops they turn into hours spent rambling on. One look and you got the best of me. 4 feet take us where we wanna be. 3 words that would be the death of me. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones.
Oh my god! You good? Okay, this is the bathroom. Bye.
I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again.
Here's my bathroom progress so far. This is horrible lighting. My roommate, this is hers, and then this is mine. I really don't have that much in it. And then over here, this is a locker shelf that I got. So I just have my cleaning supplies up here. Back there, I have a box of makeup removers, and then I just have some extra I don't even know stuff. Face wash, shampoo, conditioners. I have my razors and stuff like that back there. I have some towels, and then we don't have one of those things that you put your stuff in. I forgot the name of it. I have lost my shower caddy like she has, so I just put it all in this bin, and eventually when we get one I'll put that stuff in there, but I have all my shower stuff in the bin. And now I just need to clean all of this, and then yeah, the stuff that's still here is just laundry stuff that I don't need in here. We're making really good progress. My family might come soon to help me hang some stuff, and then my other roommates will be here in a few hours. We're doing good. I felt like I should give you guys a little low-key tour, even though it's a total mess. That's the door you walk in, little bar area. Over here, that's our laundry room. It's freaking huge. Look at how big it is. That's my room, that's Lauren's room, that's our bathroom that we're sharing. Here's our kitchen, our bar stool, living room area. Lauren and my stuff is everywhere, mostly my stuff. I have this huge balcony which goes all the way, spans across all of our rooms, so it's huge. My roommate also was surprise, I got a dog, so that's her dog stuff. And then over here I have a roommate's room, roommate's room, roommate's room, bathroom. So Lauren and I share a bathroom, 2 of my roommates share a bathroom, and then 1 gets her own. That was our little tour. I'm sure I'll do one once it's all decorated and doesn't look like a mess. There you go, you got it. Little room tour time, I guess, before all the decorations are up. It is so bright. Here's the room, this headboard up, and then some mirrors above the bed, so that'll be decorated. Here's this, I'm gonna mount my TV to the wall, which I don't know how it's gonna be with that. I don't know if this will stay, but my little got me this, and I love her, and it makes me think of her. This mirror, I'm just obsessed with this mirror, you guys. These will stay, these won't. Fun fact, I accidentally bought a picture too small, so I literally Sharpied in the outside. I don't think it looks that great, but I mean, it's better than nothing. Also, hello to my favorite people. Those won't stay there either. They're gonna be on the shelves that I put above my bed. I want to get an actual nightstand, but until I do, I have this little ottoman there, so that will be nice. And then I don't mean to have that there. The closet looks nice. It actually fits a ton of stuff.
We talk late at night like we're Letterman. We're deeper right now than I've ever been. Overthinking this would be irrelevant. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. falling before I go again. Falling, falling, no. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. Falling, falling, no. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. Falling, falling, no. Forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. I'm on the way, I'm on the way. I'm on the way down. Catch the vibe and I feel okay. I got nothing to do but kick it with you. I'm on the way down. Catch the vibe when I see your face. I got nothing to say. Girl, I'm on my way down. LA, California crazy. My babe made me feel amazing. I call 'cause things been...
Last thing I saw, my family came. They helped me hang a few things, as we can see. Then we got dinner because I was hungry and eaten all day, and they were also hungry, so I mean, like, now I get to style these. I've been waiting for this for a really long time. I'm gonna set you up, we'll style her.
We've been working hard, haven't chilled in a while. I've been on the road, always smoking weed, always going out. I've been losing sleep.
My master plan was to have this at the very edge, but it's not really working out because it's not strong enough. And so I'm like, maybe I can like command strip it or something. I don't know. Too heavy, I guess, for it to be hanging off that much. But I'm afraid it'll look stupid. But it's like kind of curved. Let's figure this out.
We ain't chilled in a minute. I know I've been gone, but tonight
I ended up closing my blinds. I feel like I need another light besides this one in here because I feel like it's gonna get dark. Here's how it turned out. It's so cute. I don't really know why. I've cleaned it like a million times. I don't know why there's so many fingerprints on it. She's cute, right? Love her. So I think for the rest of the night, I'm just gonna mess around, clean, maybe do a few other things, but that's pretty much it for the video. I've had problems with this, like a few problems in the past. If you find out where I live, cool, like fun, don't share that on the internet. Don't show up. I want to feel safe in my house, in my apartment. I did this. I think it low-key looks stupid because it's like really glowing at the top and not all at the bottom, but I'm like tired of dealing with it, so we're gonna live with it. I kind of got cut off what I was saying last time, but yeah, I want to feel safe and comfortable in my own home, so I hope that you guys are cool with that because I would like you to be cool with that. But I hope that you guys like this video. Definitely subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram. Get ready for some college week in my life vlogs. It's gonna be fun. We'll do a tour eventually. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
it's a no stress, keep it rolling now. I'm blessed, you're blessed, so we holy now. All night, we gon' do it. Girl, I'm on my